How to turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the video. Firstly, all you have to do is open the Messenger app and there you can see the end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So as you can see, there is no official way provided by Facebook to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger, but there is a troubleshoot way by deleting the chat. So deleting the chat is necessary to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So all you have to do is find the chat you want to delete or remove encrypted chat of and simply delete the entire text. After deleting the encrypted chat, search for the contact and start a new encryption. This new chat will not have end-to-end encryption. So that is it. This method is irreversible, so ensure you back up any important messages before deleting them. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.